New Delhi, February 13, 2025. The Adani Group has withdrawn from its 484 megawatt wind energy project in Sri Lanka. Adani Green Energy Limited has announced its withdrawal from the project due to the Sri Lankan government's revision of terms. According to reports, Adani Green's officials recently held discussions with Sri Lankan Ceylon Electricity Board and other ministry officials, during which the government indicated its plan to set up new committees to reconsider the project's term. Political shift and rising opposition in Sri Lanka. The wind energy project has been under scrutiny since September 2024 following the election of President Anura Kumara Dissanayake. During his campaign, Dissanayake had called the project corrupt and promised to cancel it. Additionally, local fishing communities and environmental activists has been opposing the project. In an official statement, Adani Group said, "We fully respect Sri Lanka's sovereignty and its decision, which is why we have chosen to withdraw from its project. 41 crore rupees already spent, but future prospects remain open." The total investment plan for this project was approximately $1 billion. However, Adani Green had already spent $5 million on pre-development activities, land acquisition and regulatory approvals. The project was designed under the build, own, operate model, was to be developed in Mannar and Ponerian. Despite withdrawing, Adani Group stated that it remains open to future opportunities in Sri Lanka if the government offers new projects. Apart from the wind energy project, the Adani Group is also involved in the Colombo Port Terminal project. However, in December 2024, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited withdrew its request for a $553 million loan from the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation. Meanwhile, the U.S. lawsuit against Adani Group saw a recent development. President Donald Trump imposed a temporary suspension on the law under which a U.S. court had filed a case against Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar Adani and 6 others. The case alleged that they had paid off $265 million bribe to secure early approval for a solar power purchase agreement in India. Is this the end of Adani's Sri Lankan projects? While Adani Group has stepped back from this particular project, it has not completely closed its doors on Sri Lanka. With changing political tides and increasing local opposition, the future of Adani investments in the island nation looks uncertain. The next few months will determine whether or not the conglomerate identifies fresh openings or encounters even more obstacles.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.